Hail and welcome, fellow Molrad hobbyists. In this video, we are going to be checking out this Gawr Gura Hololive Figma. This is Figma number 618. You can see it says Gawr Gura right here on the box, and this is produced by Good Smile, but by Max Factory, so one of their subsidiaries. Okay, this Figma went up for pre-order sometime around, I think, September 2023, and it was just recently released as of August and September 2024. So this is, as of time of recording, barely a month old. We're just gonna take a look at what's inside. Okay, so let's I've already pre-opened most of the packaging inside, but this video is just here to help you guys make sure that if you have one of these, you have exactly what you need to have. Okay, so we don't want to damage the box right there. Okay, very careful. That's nice box art over there. You have Gura on the side. Okay, Gura's back on the side. And then there's Gura over there. There's BLOOP. Anyway, this Figma is a little bit bare bones compared to the other bigger ones. It's a smaller box. You can see there are 3 different faces. Now, I think there's a 4th face with a pre-order one, but this wasn't a pre-order one, so this does not have that extra, the extra bit. So let's take a look at what's inside. Okay, let's make sure that this is right there. Okay, so very well taped right here. Let's wait, is this? Okay, so the back first. Something taped to the back. The stand, of course. Yes, and a bunch of other bits and accessories. Okay, this is very well packed. Okay, so first, sorry. Okay, right, there, Goob. Okay, so here you have the official Figma stand. It's a hexagonal stand, around the same size as the. Yeah, it is around the same size as a typical pop-up parade. Another line of figures by Good Smile. Okay, there you go. Okay, so you don't wanna damage anything yet. Okay, so here you have an official Figma bag over here. Okay, do not want to damage that one. It's a Figma Ziploc. You're supposed to keep all your accessories. Put that there. Right, here you have the hexagonal base over here. So you have one hexagonal base. You have 3 pairs of alternate hands, aside from the hand that Gura currently has on right now. And you have the accessories for the stand. So this particular Figma has it's Gura. So she has her sidekick, which we never really see, BLOOP. So here's Gura's stand right here. It's a thicker arm stand, and there is a smaller arm, so a thinner arm stand here for BLOOP, who can stay in his bubble. Okay. There are 3 pairs of extra hands. A grasping hand, probably for the trident. Clenched fist hands, and then her iconic cat paw hands, which she uses for this particular pose there, the cutesy pose that she is normally known for. Right, so let's not open those, and then let's take a look at what's inside the packet. So inside the packet, okay, we're not going to remove her from her packaging. Okay, so here you have the actual Gura Figma. Well, okay, let's open it up. Okay, I'm sure this wasn't taped. There you go. It's just standard plastic pack. Whoops, Mike. We do not want to damage. Yeah, you have her trident. It's in semi-translucent turquoise, steel, whatever. Okay, we have alternate face here. So, standard Gura. So you have your standard Gura over here. Okay. It's a Max Factory Figma, but it's still a Figma. She's really small compared to all the other Figmas I have, which is expected because it is Gura. Okay, so her sleeves, her hands probably pop off right at the sleeve. Yeah, they do. Okay, so he has open hands as a stock over here, memo here. Okay, one interesting aspect I did not expect was her shark hoodie. Okay, so in most of the art, the shark mouth on her hoodie is just drawn on her hoodie. In this case, there's a separate flap for the bottom and the top part. So that's interesting over there. Okay, interesting design decision. Okay, okay. Tail is articulated, of course. Probably removable. She has her classic spats, so unlike most other Hololive members, they usually have some sort of black panties over there, but Gura iconically has spats, probably because she's a lolly. But you can see some belly over there. And let's see if you see a belly button. I do see a navel. So there is a belly button over there. There's a navel. This is probably removable. But we'll check that out in our, this is just an unboxing, we'll check that out in our actual figure review video. Okay, so she has her hoodie on. The hoodie is removable. Probably have to take the face off first and then remove the hoodie. Okay, the hair first and then the face and the hoodie. Okay. Okay, so what else do we have? We have alternate faces, so alternate hair without the hoodie right here. Okay, so the hoodie probably doesn't come out, well, I don't know. We'll check it out in our review, our actual review video. So the hairpins cut up. So the hairpins are not, oh, they are articulated somewhat. I do not want to break them off, just in case. So they are somewhat articulated, but they seem very complicated. Okay, so I don't want to screw with that yet. Okay, have our head over here. So there's alternate hair, two extra faces, an angry face or standard smug face, and a happy face over there. Of course, we have Bloop over here, and Bloop's classic bubble. Let's grab his bubble. Oops, sorry, Goob. Whoopsie. There you go. Okay, so Bloop does fit inside the bubble somehow. And there's a way to open this. There's a way to open this. There's a lock. There you go. Okay, so it opens there. And put Bloop inside. Oh, he has a little, there's a little hole where you put him in. He must hate that. There you go, Bloop. And then you close it up. And there's Bloop in a bubble. Wow, we actually see Bloop. Okay. Interesting enough, the pop-up parade also has a Bloop in a bubble. So that's interesting, but we will deal with that in our review video. Anyway, then you have some instructions over here. Instruction manuals on how to work with your Gura Figma. How to remove the joints. So don't pull there. Don't pull there. Okay. Standard Figma fare for Gura. We have Max Factory, Figma, Gawr Gura. There you go. Okay. So there is your Figma Gawr Gura. Okay. We'll probably do a more in-depth review of this in a review video, but for now, thanks for watching, and I hope that was pretty informative. I will see you guys when I see you. Mallrat out. Mallrat out.
Hey! You made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat out.